Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back to another legal breaking reporting and video analysis update. A federal judge has rightfully dismissed vindictive prosecution charges against both New York Attorney General Letitia James, who's the current Democratic New York Attorney General, and former Democratic FBI Director James Comey. Let's get into this new reporting by the New York Times. Before we begin, ladies and gentlemen, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy.
Judge dismisses cases against Comey and James, finding Trump prosecutor was unlawfully appointed. This article is by Alan Fewer and Devlin Barrett, and read by an automated voice. A federal judge tossed out separate criminal charges against the former FBI Director James Comey and the New York Attorney General Letitia James, saying their prosecutor's appointment was invalid. A major defeat for the president's effort to make the criminal justice system do as he pleases. The twin rulings by Judge Cameron McGowan Curry center on the unusual nature in which Lindsay Halligan was picked by Trump and Attorney General Pam Bondi to become a U.S. attorney and proceed on her own in a matter of days to indict two of the president's most reviled targets. Judge Cameron McGowan Curry ruled Monday to dismiss the Comey case, writing, "I agree with Mr. Comey that the Attorney General's attempt to install Ms. Halligan as interim U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia was invalid. And because Ms. Halligan had no lawful authority to present the indictment, I will grant Mr. Comey's motion and dismiss the indictment without prejudice." She made a similar finding in the case against Letitia James, who was charged with misleading financial institutions to get a better rate on a mortgage. The particulars of the judge's rulings mean that the government could attempt to refile the charges, whatever the outcome of the legal fight surrounding the appointment of Ms. Halligan, a former White House staffer. The Trump administration is likely to appeal the judge's rulings, rather than acquiesce to the death of two high-profile cases that the president has willed into existence. This is a developing story. Check back for updates.
With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, the indictment will not be restored. Regardless, because of Lindsay Halligan's unlawful appointment from the start, this case should have never been brought. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy for more legal breaking news that you need to know about. And please stay tuned for more updates on this case, and please subscribe for more legal breaking news that you need to know about. More to come soon, ladies and gentlemen.